Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at Jungle Scout, a tool designed to help Amazon sellers find great products and keep track of their sales. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to grow your business, this review will cover what you need to know about them, what they offer, and their plans and pricing. And hopefully, by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide if Jungle Scout is the right tool to help you boost your sales on Amazon. And if at any point you decide to try out Jungle Scout, check out the affiliate link down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything, and you even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so if you haven't heard about Jungle Scout, it's a Texas-based company that offers an e-commerce tool to help Amazon sellers get more insights into their products. Basically, what Jungle Scout software does is it helps you find new products, keep track of sales, improve listings, and look at market data. Besides that, they give you a lot of information to help you learn and do well in the competitive world of selling on Amazon. So Jungle Scout is a really great resource if you're looking to launch and grow your Amazon business. It gives you access to a powerful product research tool that helps you find high-demand, low-competition products that can maximize profits, like a map guiding you to success. And you also get access to a supplier database, which helps you connect with reliable suppliers all over the world. On top of that, the sales reports give you important insights into daily sales and inventory, acting like a business dashboard where you can see all the details about your products. That being said, when it comes to plans and pricing, Jungle Scout has 3 main plans, and if you opt for the annual billing, you can get 35 to 40% discount on all of them. So first up is their starter plan, which is great for new sellers just starting out. This plan is priced at about $50 a month, but with a yearly option, you pay only about $30 per month. It covers all the essentials like product research and tracks up to 50 products. Then there's the Growth Accelerator plan, which is a great option for people who want to grow their business. It costs about $80 a month or about $50 if you pay for it yearly. And with this plan, you can keep track of up to 150 products, get access to extra tools like Keyword Scout with up to 250 searches per month for improving listings, and pay-per-click (PPS) campaigns, as well as an inventory manager to help you keep track of the right amount of stock on hand. After that, there's the Brand Owner plan, which is a great option for experienced sellers who want to grow their business and are committed to long-term growth, and costs about $130 a month if you choose the annual subscription. It offers you more capabilities by letting you keep track of up to 2,000 products. It has all the features of the Suite plan, plus faster onboarding, more advanced seller tools, and better access to historical data. So it's perfect for sellers who need a full set of tools to run and grow their business effectively. Lastly, Jungle Scout's Cobalt plan is ideal for brands and agencies aiming to optimize their Amazon strategies. It brings all your Amazon data together, making it easy to track market trends and competitor performance. You can run ads with advanced targeting and automation, assess share of voice, and find keyword trends. Plus, customizable dashboards help you address key e-commerce questions, ensuring you have the insights needed to succeed on Amazon. But this is a custom plan, so you need to contact them to get a quote. Also, they offer a 7-day money-back guarantee on their standard plans, which means that if for whatever reason you think Jungle Scout isn't the right fit for your needs within the first week, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. Simply reach out to their customer support through their email. Just to reiterate, if at any point you want to try out Jungle Scout, remember to check out the affiliate link in the description down below. It won't cost you extra, and you'll get a discount that isn't available directly on their website. Okay, so using Jungle Scout really feels like they've thought of everything to make your life a lot easier. When you log in, you're welcomed by this clean, easy-to-use dashboard. It lays out all the key information like your sales, how much stock you have, and what's trending in the market. It's straightforward, so even if you're new to selling online, you won't feel lost. And Jungle Scout isn't just about giving you tools, they really help you master them. There's a whole bunch of simple tutorials and webinars that break things down for you, whether you're just starting out or ready to grow your business. And so you'll find just what you need. And the community forums are great because you get insider tips from other sellers. And when it comes to support from Jungle Scout's team, they make sure any issue you might have gets fixed as soon as possible, which was a really nice experience. On top of that, Jungle Scout really cares about what its users say, and based on their feedback, they keep improving their platform. And the recently added features like Keyword Scout and Inventory Manager can really help you stay ahead of the competition without making you feel overwhelmed. There's also a mobile app that lets you run your business from anywhere, which is great for people who are always on the go. And if you have any questions or issues, they have great customer service that's available 24/7. In short, Jungle Scout is all about making your business run more smoothly. They help you run your daily business and get ready for future growth by giving you tools and support. Because of this, Jungle Scout is a great option if you want to do well with online sales. Now, as I said, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. So just like any service, Jungle Scout isn't perfect. So one small drawback, for example, is Jungle Scout's pricing might be a little high for first-time buyers or small-scale businesses. And so even though the tool has a lot of features and is very affordable, people who are new to e-commerce or have a limited budget might find it to be a bit on the higher end to start with. Also, some users might find Jungle Scout's wide range of tools and data to be overwhelming, especially those who are unfamiliar with e-commerce analytics. And so even though having extensive knowledge is amazing, it can take some time to figure out how to use them all without getting overwhelmed. Wrapping up this review, I would definitely recommend Jungle Scout as it's a great option for anyone who really wants to learn how to use the Amazon Marketplace. It makes running your business much easier by simplifying the Amazon selling process. The platform is filled with amazing features that help with everything from market analysis to product tracking, all of which have been designed to help you in making informed decisions. And so, Jungle Scout is especially helpful if you're just starting out and need advice to help be aware of common mistakes, or if you want to grow your Amazon business. It's really the perfect tool for anyone trying to effectively increase their e-commerce business. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you found this video useful and that I was able to answer all of your questions. If I was, please like and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And again, if you want to try out Jungle Scout, remember to check out the affiliate link in the description down below. It won't cost you extra and you'll get a discount that isn't available directly on their website. And if you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.